In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the issue PowerPoint found a problem with content in PPTX. This can be particularly frustrating if you're trying to open a presentation and are halted by an unexpected error. Luckily, we have a straightforward process that can help you resolve this issue quickly. First, we're going to begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you've already got it installed, you should be able to find it easily in your list of applications. Open PowerPoint as you would normally do. This is our starting point before we dive into the settings that need some adjustments. Next, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation that's giving you trouble. Opening the specific presentation helps ensure that the steps we follow directly impact the file with the problem. Now look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. This is an essential part of the PowerPoint toolbar where you will find various options related to files, saving, sharing, and most importantly, settings. From the File tab, we'll continue by selecting Options, which you'll find towards the bottom of the list. This opens up the PowerPoint Options dialog box, which is filled with various configurations you can tweak to personalize and troubleshoot your software. From here, look for the Trust Center tab on the menu that appears on the left side. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. Within the Trust Center, you're going to find a button labeled Trust Center Settings. Give that a click. In this section, PowerPoint provides various security and privacy settings. This is where we can find what might be blocking your presentation from opening correctly. Once inside Trust Center settings, you're going to want to disable all of the checked boxes you see. These settings often control security features that, while normally helpful, can sometimes interfere with opening certain files depending on their content or source. Disabling them temporarily can help bypass the error. After you've ensured all the checkboxes are unchecked, it's time to click on OK to save these adjustments. This action confirms that you've changed the settings, and it should help in resolving the issue with your PowerPoint presentation. Now try reopening your problematic presentation file. With these changes, PowerPoint should be more permissive with file content, resolving the specific warning or error you are facing. Remember, once your presentation is open and functioning as expected, you might want to revisit those Trust Center settings and re-enable anything that you feel is necessary to keep your files and computer safe. I hope this guide was helpful in resolving your PowerPoint issue. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.